Welcome to Reddify AI. Reddify AI is an all-in-one Reddit marketing automation platform designed to generate ready-to-buy leads from Reddit without spending money on ads, writing posts yourself, or manually managing conversations. Everything you're about to see happens inside one simple dashboard, and it's built specifically for people who want to tap into Reddit the right way. You'll also see access to the full training area, including step-by-step videos and a detailed guide that shows you exactly how to use Reddit effectively and safely. Reddit is one of the largest buyer intent platforms on the internet, but most people fail because they don't know what to post, where to post, or how to engage without getting ignored or banned. Reddify AI solves that by combining AI-driven content creation, controlled automation, and built-in best practices. To get started, you simply click Start Here. From here, you connect your Reddit account. This takes a few seconds and only needs to be done once. Reddify AI automatically writes engaging Reddit posts using AI. Instead of staring at a blank screen, the AI analyzes what's already working in your niche and generates posts that sound natural, human, and engaging. You get compelling content in seconds, without writer's block or guesswork. One of the most powerful features is the AI Agents feature. You can feed Reddify AI 5 to 10 URLs of viral Reddit posts with thousands of upvotes and hundreds of comments. The AI reverse engineers the hooks, structure, tone, and emotional triggers, then creates brand new posts for your product using the same proven patterns. You're not guessing what might work, you're replicating what already worked. If you already have your own product or lead magnet, you can plug it directly into Reddify AI. If you don't, Reddify AI includes pre-approved high-ticket affiliate offers you can use immediately. These include offers like 7-figure accelerator, Mintbird Platinum, Product Dino VIP Platinum offers. You simply select the offer, connect your affiliate link, and Reddify AI routes interested prospects directly through your campaigns. This allows you to monetize Reddit traffic from day one. To set up a new campaign on Reddify AI, go to Start Here and click on New Campaign. From here, you have full control over your campaign, aka the post you're making on Reddit. Start by typing in your campaign name, the niche you're targeting, and any other details if need be. This helps the AI understand your niche better. Let's choose one of our high-ticket offers that come bundled with Reddify AI, 7-figure accelerator. Now we scroll down and select Reddit as a platform. Here we have a few options. We can let AI generate our content for us from scratch using our default AI model or selecting a trained viral AI agent. We can also select from our high-ticket offer templates, which will pre-fill the post with relevant content to our high-ticket offers. These are designed to get engagement and interested prospects, which you can follow up with a high ticket in the DMs. We can ask AI to rewrite these templates for us so that we stay original. We can also ask AI to suggest relevant subreddits for us to post in. You have full flexibility when configuring a campaign, even the way you want the DMs to be sent. Whether you want full auto DMs or if you want DMs to get queued for approval, it's all up to you. After I'm done configuring, I just set the campaign to active and click Create Campaign. From the View Post area, you can click on your post that you made when you set up the campaign. From there, you can schedule the post to be published on Reddit or publish it immediately with the Publish Now button. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to show you how fast my posts get traction. And as you can see, in basically no time, we have already sent out 100 plus DMs to people who have commented on this post. This post received several hundred comments and upvotes from interested prospects. It hasn't even been 24 hours, so this is really fresh. And so far, the high ticket offer that comes bundled with Reddify AI has received 92 clicks and about 45 unique visitors. This will increase gradually as more people open their DMs and click. If only one converts with this high ticket offer out of the hundreds that have gotten the link, then we have made us a whopping $1,878 in pure commissions from free traffic. Moving on, you also have access to a subreddit DB with unmoderated subreddits or subreddits that are more lenient on marketing efforts. This is a really good resource that I use myself. You also have an opt-in page builder that you can use to easily create opt-in pages, connect them to your autoresponder, and collect leads on autopilot when setting them up together with your campaigns. There is the viral templates poster and also the Reddit Leads Finder plus Replier, which are max upgrade features. These are really powerful tools combined that will get you the most out of Reddify AI. We also have the Post Scraper plus DMer, which is similar to the Leads Finder, but this one will find people talking about your product and then DM them for you. It will also allow you to follow up with them using AI if they respond. You can set up your products here, and AI will generate relevant keywords to your product before going out there and scraping for posts of people asking about your product. For the client management feature, you need the agency upgrade, which allows you to set up and manage up to 100 client accounts on Reddify AI platform. This means you can sell access to Reddify AI to your audience. You also get a custom sales page, which you can customize and manage from the same dashboard.